So it's not just a case of if you ring 999, you'll get an ambulance automatically dispatched to you. There's a whole process that takes place. Our call takers to our dispatch and then to frontline staff. Because firstly, you'll speak to a call taker who has set questions to ask. And that's obviously very time consuming. And in the meantime, a genuine or life-threatening emergency could be delayed and get into that call taker because they're preoccupied with the inappropriate call. And then there's our allocators and dispatch who could have extra workload on their hands, which delays them or could take them away from that genuine life-threatening emergency. And then there's our crews that could be tied up on the scene or waiting outside hospital with appropriate calls and then unable to respond to a potentially life-threatening emergency. So it'd be good if people could take the time to think, do I actually need an ambulance? Could I utilise the pharmacy, NHS Direct or Choose Well Wales or self-care advice from anything available online?